Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today we are going to solve another blood relationship problem. If A plus B means A is a brother of B, A minus B means A is a sister of B, and A times B means A is a father of B, which of the following means that C is a son of M. So let's check the first couple, M minus N. That means that M is a sister of N. So we can see it here. So next, let's take N times C. This means that N is a father of C. And next, C plus F means that C is a brother of F. Now we can solve A and see if we would see that C is a son of M. So what we see, M is a sister of N, so M is obviously female. So he is M, and let's put M inside. She's female and she's sister of N. So let's put connection, and of course they would have mother and father. I just would add them for your better understanding. So who is N? Female or male? N is a father. So M has a brother. So N, who is a father, so he is obviously only can be a man. N is a father of C. So N is a father of C. And this means that N has a wife and he is a father of C. And C is a brother of F. Put F here. So and C is going to be here, is a brother, so he is obviously male of F. So we don't know gender of F, we don't know X of F, but this is going to be a relationship. So now let's check if C is a son of M. And we see that C is not the son of M, but C is a son of N. So the first answer is not a correct answer. Let's check next answer. So F minus C, that means that F is a sister of C. Then we have C plus N. That means that C is a brother of N. And next we have N times M. That means that N is a father of M. Now let's build a pedigree of this family. Again, what we know is that F is a sister of C. Okay, F is a sister. So circle, and let's put F inside. She is a sister of C. So let's connect F and C. And what is the sex of the C? C is a brother of N. So now let's put a box around C, because he is a brother. C is a brother of N. So let's put another sibling here, and N is a father. So he is a male. Again, he is a father, so N, and he is a father. So he has a wife, and he has a child. He is a father of M, and sex of M is not specified, so we use this symbol. And again, we can put here that this family has a mother and a father without any letters. This is just for full picture. So again, let's check if C is a son of M. And as you see, C cannot be the son of M, because the relationship would be as uncle and unspecified child of the brother. So one brother, another brother, and child would be with a niece if it is female, or if it is male, going to be a nephew of the C. So, or C would be an uncle. Next, now variant C, N plus M. So N is a brother of M. Then next, M minus F means M is a sister of F. Next, we have F times C. That means that F is a father of C. Now let's check. N is a brother of M. So N is a brother. So let's put a box here of M. So let's connect, and here we're going to have M. And M is a sister. So let's put a circle. Next, M is a sister of F. And F is a father. So M is a sister of F. And F is a father. So he is male and he is a father. So he has a wife of the opposite sex, of course, and he is a father of C. So we put C here, and sex is not specified. And let's see what we have here. Again, we can put a mother and father of these siblings. So let's see. Again, we have to find C, who is a son of M. And do we see here that C is the son of M? Actually, we do not see. We see that C is a child, sex is not specified, of F. And M would be an aunt of this child. So let's check the last answer. So what we have here, M times N, means that M is a father of N. Next we have N minus C means N is a sister of C. And the last, C plus F, means that C is a brother of F. Now let's build again pedigree of this family. M is the father of N. So we have M, and M is a male because we are told that M is a father. So M is a male. He is a father. He is the father of N. So M has a wife. No letter for a wife, but we know that he is father of N. So let's put N here. And what is the sex of the N? And we can see that N is a sister of C. So N have to be female. So circle. Sister of C. So let's put another child here. And let's put C. C. So let's we don't know the sex of C. Let's check. In the next line, C is the brother of F. So now we know that C is a male because he is a brother of F. So this family should have another child, F. But sex of the child F is not specified. So it can be whether a male or female. So what we see? We see a family with 3 children. And in this family we see that C is the son of M. C is the son of M. And this is clearly seen from this pedigree that C is the son of M. So this is going to be our answer. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates and see you in the next video. Goodbye.